Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Drive now and navigate to the exact folder where you want files to live. Once there, click New or the Upload button. This starts the process immediately. If you plan to upload a whole folder, pick Folder Upload. For individual files, pick File Upload, then select them in your file picker. Make sure to check available storage at the top right so uploads won't fail due to quota limits. After selecting files, initiate the upload and watch the progress indicator. This tells you speed and completion. If you see errors, pause and retry the specific file. Network hiccups cause most issues. Once uploaded, immediately rename or move items into subfolders so versions stay organized, and set permissions if you'll share. Make sure to refresh the view if collaborators report missing items. Drive sometimes needs a moment to index large or many files. When the upload finishes, open a sample file to confirm it downloaded correctly and renders as expected. This avoids surprises for collaborators. Next, share. Copy a shareable link or add people and choose Viewer versus Editor depending on needs. If things go wrong, try re-uploading the problematic file, clear browser cache, or switch to Drive for desktop, backup, and sync for large batches. These steps solve most transfer and quota-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.